Dear students of Standard 10, as you are having some query regarding photosynthesis. So again I am briefing little bit. There is a combination of two words. Photo means light and synthesis, synthesize or process the new combination with the help of simplest raw materials, or that is the chemicals. So this total combination is known as a photosynthesis. As we have discussed, in the living beings are in need of nutrition. Among all living beings, plant as well as animals, plants are adopting the method without any other help to synthesize the food for their own nutritional value compensate. So we can say the plant are self-dependent. Self means auto, and nutrition, that is the trophs. So that's why called as the autotrophs. And autotrophs means self-dependent or self, they are synthesizing the food. That's why they are also known as a producer also. Means similar to the photosynthesis, synthesizing their food for their own nutritional value. Now, till today we have discussed that green plants are doing photosynthesis as they are having the green pigment, that is the chlorophyll inside them. Now, one by one we have to discuss here what are the affecting factors for the photosynthesis. That is chlorophyll first, second is carbon dioxide, third is water, fourth is sunlight or the energy. Now one by one. First is chloroplast. As we have discussed in previous class, the cell organelles known as the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because they are having the green pigment which is filled in the grana parts of the chloroplast. The grana is the coin-shaped structure, tubular, lies one over them. The tubular structure within the chlorophyll is fulfilled. Now, where in the plant, where is the available in the plant this chlorophyll or chloroplast? All the green plants available, all the green parts available in plant, but abundantly leaves are more suitable organ for this process or the site. The plant leaves upper and lower level are made up of epidermis and surrounds with the cuticle. In this lower epidermal layer, so many fine holes are available known as stomata. These stomata are guarded with the guard cells which are responsible for entry and exit of gaseous materials. The guard cells consist this chloroplast which have chlorophyll. So at the cellular site, first factor, that is chlorophyll, is available. The second factor, water, reached at all the cellular site of the plant, transported through xylem, as we know. When the continuous supply of water till guard cells, they become turgid, that means swell up, and between the two guard cells, these guard cells are of bean shaped. So between two guard cells, some space made available and work like pore, that is the stomata. So when stomata opens, the available carbon dioxide from the atmosphere received by the plant. So the third factor work here as carbon dioxide. Now energy is required to do synthesize the food. Here already chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide is available. Now for the fourth factor is light. When light energy available from sun, the light is absorbed by the chlorophyll and photolysis of water takes place. That means photolysis means H2 or water molecule is going to divide into hydrogen and oxygen molecule. So up to photolysis of water, the total reaction is known as a light reaction of photosynthesis or the first phase of photosynthesis. After that, no light is necessary for further completing the reaction. From here, dark reactions start till completing the process. So total overall reaction, now you can observe the situation regarding this overall reaction. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide are going to combining with 12 molecules of water H2O in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So reaction is going on. After photolysis, the resultant is C6H12O6, that is the carbohydrate, and another 6H2O is also formed, plus 6O2 oxygen is released here. Now the light energy first absorbed by chlorophyll. This absorbed energy responsible for splitting the water molecules. Here light energy converted into chemical energy. Finally, carbon dioxide is released or reduced. You can say the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate, the final product. But with this, water also release and participate in transpiration, as well as oxygen liberate here as a byproduct. So this is a brief discussion about the photosynthesis where we are